A couple days ago, I posted a short video on my channel talking about the 10 products that I use to deep clean my home super fast, super efficiently as someone who doesn't hire anyone to deep clean. And boy, did you guys have a lot of questions and you wanted an in-depth video. So today we're doing a more thorough video on the 10 products that I use to deep clean my house all the time. And before we go on, not a single product you're going to see today has been sponsored or anything like that. These are products that I own, I use all the time because they work. And we're just gonna start from the top. So let me just pull out my caddy. All right, the very first deep cleaning tool is this thing right here. This is a completely flat duster tool that goes under your appliances. This is perfect for those little gaps on the sides of the refrigerators as well because it gets right in there. And after you're done dusting the area underneath, you can get this microfiber cloth wet and then you can take it wet and almost do a little mopping underneath your appliances. This has been incredible. It is completely extendable, as you can see. And then when it's dirty and disgusting, you simply take the little sleeve off right here, pull it off, throw it in the wash, and then it's ready to go. Okay, the second thing that you want to have in your deep cleaning arsenal is a flat mop, but it's not for your floors. This is for your walls. When I tell you, if you don't wash your walls, give it a try one time. The difference that it's going to make in the look and smell of your home is going to be incredible. You're never going to stop deep cleaning your walls this way, especially if you have kids, pets, or you do a lot of cooking with seasonings. Let me tell you, walls hold on to so much odor. It's not the stuff that you see that's actually making your house dirty. It's the stuff you can't see, and it's emitting an odor and a smell. I personally love the O-Cedar flat mop. I've used this guy for years. I have reviews on my channel about this guy. I just like it that it's super lightweight, easy to set up, and super easy to use. I also have another one that I really, really love linked on my Amazon storefront. I just like that it's also dual-sided and it has a large capacity. So if you're doing a lot of walls at once, it's really great. And the other thing that I really like about the Amazon mop head versus the O-Cedar one is that it's a little bit wider, so you can get a little bit more coverage quicker. Okay, the next deep clean product are actually these cloths right here. These specific microfiber cloths do not snag your skin when you are touching them. I hate the feel of traditional microfiber cloths. Let me just show you what I mean. If I can even find a microfiber cloth in this house. Okay, there was no luck because I probably got rid of all of the traditional microfiber cloths and I only kept these. They come in a pack of like 18 with different colors. You can choose your variations, but these are so incredible. Not only do they not leave streaks, they don't leave any kind of residue. They're just the perfect size. They're not too big. I stored them in my little washcloth basket. I also have them separately for cleaning. And the cool thing is because they're different colors, you can assign a different color to different cleaning tasks. Everyone who has bought these has messaged me on Instagram telling me how much they absolutely love these guys. Okay, this next product right here, just flat out, honestly, I'm gonna tell you, I bought it to prove to pretty much everyone on my Instagram page that it doesn't work because I saw a lot of influencers on Instagram promoting this sink drain cleaner and deodorizer. And I was like, absolutely not. This is not going to work. And besides, we moved into our house only about a year and a half ago. I'm sure nothing's gonna come out. When I tell you, I was not prepared, but I was so happy that my camera was recording the gunk that came out from the very first sink, and the smell was disgusting. And in those seconds, I became a believer. I ordered another pack, and one of these bottles lasted enough for 5 sinks twice. And even if you don't have any buildup actively coming out of your sink, this foam goes all the way deep to actually deodorize your sink. I am sold. I was probably their biggest skeptic, but I absolutely love this sink drain cleaner. Okay, this one, if you have kids, if you have pets, if you've ever tried to clean a bathroom and there's a lingering urine smell, it's because you haven't tried a steam cleaner. I like this large capacity Dupre steam cleaner. You don't have to have a large capacity at all. Any steam cleaner will do, but if you're trying to tackle a large amount of space really quickly without refilling, waiting for water to heat up, you want something that holds a large amount of water, which is why I went for the large capacity steam cleaner. Now, this is not just a steam cleaner for like your windows and your bathrooms. It is also for the floors, for your baseboards, for your showers. I will take this, and if I don't want to use heavy chemicals in my shower, I will use this to remove limescale, body, like built up body oils, all the, wonderful things that come with a shower. And this stuff obliterates it. My favorite thing to use this for is for the actual toilets, because you can take this steam wand and you can point it right into the crevices of those seats where urine will hide. And if I'm trying to be fast and efficient, I don't want to take the time to take off every single toilet seat to wipe down in those little crevices. So I will take this little handle and I will shoot steam right into those little folds, into those little cracks. And I'm telling you, there is a stream of urine that comes out every single time that I use this thing. And anything that is hiding, that is stinky, that is disgusting, this steamer finds it, gets it out. Okay, moving on. This little friend right here has saved me countless of times. When I'm telling you, pet accidents, kid accidents, spills, smells, this is a completely cordless, waterless upholstery cleaner, and it is so powerful. Now, you may think, hey, I already have an upholstery cleaner. Like, what's the big deal with this? The convenience of having this charged and ready to go in a caddy. Let's say your pet has an accident. That urine is going straight down into your carpet, your mattress, your couch, wherever that accident happened, and it's going to seep down quick. If you don't have something that's going to extract the dirt right away with super heavy suction, even if you clean the top layer, the urine or whatever mess that is lingering is going to be embedded super deep. This little machine right here, I don't have to fill it up with water. It is always charged for me. I quickly run and I go and I grab this and I turn it on, and I first of all suction absolutely everything into here. Then once I've suctioned out the nasty stuff, I follow up with this spray right here. This doesn't only remove stains, it removes odors as well. And this is something different Shark did. This is a retractable spray trigger, and it comes with this solution right here that you can purchase. It removes odors, it removes stains. Cool thing is that it does come with different little crevice tools here for like if you need to get somewhere super tight near baseboards. This does a really great job. Whole thing comes apart completely. You can wash it inside and out, so whatever gunk that you just cleaned up into it, it's not going to linger and smell in here because the entire thing comes apart and you can wash every single piece of this. Okay, this next tool is called the Hoto Spin Scrubber, and let me tell you, also I was very skeptical of these scrubbers because I've seen when people put a little bit of force down on the brush and it completely stops moving. This does not happen with this. I have had this brush for over 2 years. Yes, I love the retractable handle that I can go and clean my kids' bathtubs, my bathtub without bending down. But my absolute favorite part is the detachable handle. It is so sturdy. If I'm not mistaken, they call themselves the Apple of home accessories. When I tell you that the engineering and the way that they built this thing is so good, it's also rechargeable. There are no batteries. I recharge this thing maybe once a month. I mean, there are a ton of uses for this little guy, but honestly, my biggest thing that I use it for is to clean our shower glass doors as well as our bathtubs. It makes it so fast. It is a very well-built machine, and this is something that is on like a weekly rotation in our home. Now, they did come out with one where the head is more flexible. I haven't bought that one. I've been waiting for it to go on sale, but if you're going to purchase any of them, I would recommend getting the one where the head is a little more flexible so that when you are using it, you have more control of range of motion, but I will eventually upgrade to the one that has that little flexible head. Okay, I know we talked about the cordless shark cleaner, but if you want to do like a full good wet clean on your couches, chairs, upholstery, whatever, maybe a spot on the carpet, this specific Shark Stain Striker, specifically with the hair attachment on it, has been so incredible as pet owners. We have cats, we have dogs, and their hair embeds into the fibers of our upholstery. This machine comes with special attachments that pull that hair out and then actually separate it in a separate little chamber with this attachment. And of course, it has that amazing suction. It does a fantastic job getting the couch clean. We have white couches, for crying out loud, so we really need it to work. You can see the difference every single time. There's a special solution that comes with it, amazing attachments, and a really cool feature that Shark actually included in this particular upholstery machine is the ability to wash your hose as well as the attachments right in the unit. So you can go ahead and rinse the entire thing within the actual unit itself without having that dirt and disgusting water like sit within the pipes. Okay, this next product is actually a chemical cleaning agent specifically for your grills. Now, I believe it'll also work for cleaning your oven, but I tested this on our grill that hadn't been cleaned in months. This is so incredibly easy to use. You simply spray it on, wait for like 25-30 minutes, walk away, let it marinate, and when you come back, you take a sponge and it will literally scoop off all of the grease, all of the grime and gunk, and it comes right off. And the last cleaning tool I'm going to mention for today is something I discovered recently after I broke several of our window screens trying to pull them off so I can hose them down outside. I found this like dual attachment window screen scrubber that all you need to do is you can either use it wet or dry, but all you do is you just run it against your windows, and you don't even need to do both sides of the screen because the material that this tool is made of, it actually gets into all those little tiny mesh squares, so it will literally pull the dirt, the dust, everything off of it. You can visually see the dust coming off of both sides of the screen. If you want to be super thorough, you can totally do it on both sides, but honestly, just one side is totally worth it. The handle does come off if you want more control, but it's really nice to have that little extendable handle so you can reach a little bit higher. All of my window screens are completely clean, and because this is so fast and so easy, I'm going to do this a whole lot more regular than like once or twice a year. Well, there you have it. Those were the 10 deep cleaning tools that I personally own and use all the time to get a deep clean on my house on the regular. If you have any questions or you're looking for any of them, as always, I'll have them linked in my description box. I'll also pin them in the comments, and you can also shop them via QR code. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one.